Hello everybody, in this video we will be learning how to do dilations when the center of dilation is not the origin. So for this example, the center of dilation is 7, when usually it is the origin. The questions that have the origin as the center of dilation are really easy because you just have to multiply the x and y coordinate by the scale factor. But when you're dealing with the center of dilation is not the origin, then you have to do something different. This video is about how you do it when there's a graph, and this is probably the easiest method. So here's how you do it. So let's read the question first. Show a dilation of triangle GHJ by a scale factor of 2, using 7, 7 as a center of dilation. Okay. So whenever we have a center of dilation, we start at the center of dilation. So we're going to start here. And we're going to go to one of the points. Let's start with G. So we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got to G. But now we have to multiply it 2 times because the scale factor is 2. We already did it once, so we just have to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is our new G. Okay, and we just have to do that. Make sure to add the prime sign. Okay, and we just have to do that with J too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a J. Now we have to multiply it by 2 because the scale factor is 2. We already did it once, so we just do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got J prime. Okay, now we're gonna go to H, but that's a little different because it's like not on the same line. So for this one, we just have to go down to the same y coordinate as H. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go left to H. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just have to do it one more time because the scale factor is 2, so we have to do it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is going to be our new H, and let's clean this place up a little bit. We don't need the counting lines. Yep, we just don't need the center lines, and just make it a little cleaner. Okay. We're just going to draw this again. And we're just going to connect the lines. There we go. And this is the new triangle. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you.